What is this? Stupid fucking speaker.
How you call it? The stupid speaker.
Look, it's not about the building. Okay?
Whenever you build a building, it's not the people who builds the building, the people who makes correct.
What you're doing right now, like you're building the parts for this.
Yeah.
Sarkis thinks that you doesn't mean shit. It's the people that designed it that are more important.
Look, the only thing he knows is that one right there. See?
The cigarette?
That's the only thing he knows.
What are the chances he's smoking right now?
I mean, the chances are very good. What are you talking about? It's a lost cause, so
I hate him.
just finish the car.
Hey, babe. Why are you doing normal fucking music?
So we can talk.
Oh. Oh. You want to do something? You want to say something? Say it.
We are testing the first wide body kit for the Range Rover.
You car.
Yes, for my car. We're doing the guinea pigging on my car. We're messing it up on my car, so the client's cars can come out good the second time, third time. We already actually have a white one over there. That's for the second kit, before we even finish the first. So
And I have the
Yours.
Rolls Royce.
You have the Cullinan, another Cullinan's coming. I just booked that one today. And then you have the Urus wide body, and another Urus wide body coming. And yeah, you have like 6 wide bodies in the next
You make
couple
me
weeks.
sweat.
So finish one, please. The
Simone.
front lip is taped on.
See ya.
That's easy. So we're getting the kit ready. Like I said, it's the first one, so there's gonna be a lot of little issues and stuff until we perfect it. But that's what we're doing now, and then this is gonna go to the wrap shop, and it's gonna get completely wrapped in satin pearl white. I'm gonna do a little bit of matte silver accents, I think, like the emblems. And then the RDB wheels are coming as well. It's gonna be very exciting times for us because the Range Rover is our most popular vehicle of the year already. And once these kits go on, people are gonna want them, I think, because they look really, really nice. And they're gonna be available because 1016 always has stock, which is the great part. Every other Range Rover kit out there right now is no bueno, is no good. It's a little extreme. This car is very sleek, so we're trying to keep those rounded areas. You know how round that is there, and even that is pretty much rounded. So, getting going. Luis always has bad things to say about other people's work, but his work is not that great. So,
Bueno, no good.
You should paint it.
I would keep. Honestly, though, if I had a Range Rover black with a wide body kit painted black to match, would be perfect. But this one, we're gonna do Sound Pro White really to show off the kit and stuff. So maybe later, when I remove the wrap, I'll paint it. We'll see. All right, hurry up.
For the mommy gonna be primer only? Shushara. Shushara. This piece right here, I need to chop it up all this. Because it's not the tire gonna be fucked up over here in this area.
So you gotta cut a whole inch?
I have to cut out all this. Because in that case, the tire is gonna be stushing. So we're gonna have troubles later on.
Okay, we got a lot of new stuff here. We have a Range Rover here. This is a super old wrap. Owner wants to do a new wrap. We're gonna have to take all this out. It's gonna take a lot of labor, a lot of time, and we have to be careful. Hopefully the paint's not gonna get damaged when we pull it off. Car has suspension damage. Also, door handle's not working right. So basically we're gonna bring this Range Rover back to life. Our customer does not want to sell it, wants to keep it. This is a 2014 with 118,000 miles. It's up there. See, this is what I'm talking about. Look at all this sun damage on the hood. This is the part that takes so much time taking out when you're trying to take it out. It's already like, but when this is done, it's gonna look brand new again. The customer wants to do the same thing, so we're probably gonna do a satin black finish. We're gonna probably redo the wheels, make it look brand new again. Maybe gloss black. Let's see what Javier's doing. I need a help over here. We have a Bentley Bentayga. Hey, I said it right, Bentley Bentayga. This car has a million problems. And Javier's gonna fix it. Javier gets scared when I say there's a million problems because he's the one fixing this car, so he's gonna be on this car for a while. Front arms on this car are completely destroyed. We're gonna see it right now. When you brake and gas, this thing, the whole front end moves like it's about to fall off. It's crazy. These things have a lot of power, very, very fast. 75 horsepower, I think. They're quick. This one feels like your 350Z. I told Javier the arms were, well, we haven't seen it yet. We're gonna check it right now. I diagnosed it on the ground without putting the car up. Hopefully I'm right. But the arms felt like they were completely destroyed. So let's see if I was right. Javier, you want to do the honors, please, as I say? The bushing inside. is completely destroyed. Those take the biggest hit because that's the main arm. So yeah, we gotta change that up. I'm gonna order 2 from Bentley while Javier is having fun with his watermelon bubblegum.
You have Park 20?
Yeah.
Sarkis is helping me really well right now. Okay, get out of my face, yeah? That's
I'm
weird.
trying to help you.
You're just looking at me. That's not helping.
I'm giving you a positive vibe.
Your face is not a positive vibe. We are sitting in the Phantom Coupe. We just completed this car you guys saw on the YouTube video, the previous one. We just blacked it out more completely, so the outside is now completely blacked out. No more chrome. However, we're inside the car now, and as you can see, I have a lot of stuff apart here. So, this car has one of the worst interfaces as far as radio, that kind of stuff. It has this cool little flipping screen over there, but it is like a BMW old school 2009 system, so it's not touchscreen, small, has no Bluetooth, has no CarPlay, so it's extremely annoying to have this beautiful car, boss car, and not be able to play your music and that kind of stuff. So we have this nav tool right here. This is actually going to give the car wireless CarPlay. You could even add cameras, 360-degree view if you want. In order to do that, we have to remove that screen. We were hoping it goes behind this thing because this goes like right here. Very simple to come out. But no, it has to go behind the screen. So we're gonna have to remove all this stuff here to get this flipping screen out safely. We don't want to break anything. But yeah, like I said, all this stuff I removed actually. It's very easy to come off. It's mostly clips and 3 screws. So we have to get to that. We're not going to do it today. We're extremely tied up. But yeah, we're going to get to it and give this car Apple CarPlay. So
We got a lot of content. We talked about every single car at the shop.
there's a microphone on.
Full updates.
Nobody cares about you on YouTube.
Talked about the Bentley. I talked about the Range Rover. I talked about the S-Class. I talked about
only
it.
liked you when we were like torturing you and dragging you in back of cars and that kind of stuff. Let's do something.
They can tie me up on this thing with tape. This one.
Let's
the
go get a
top
rope
one.
at Home Depot and just pull him by his pants up there.
I'll do it. I'll do it. Go down, go down, go down.
He is a carbon fiber built. What the fuck?
It was on sale at Ross.
All for Sarkis' birthday.
Is this for him?
Yeah.
Fuck him.
We have to go very slow, first of all.
Just go fast as fast as you can.
Go slow, go. Go. Okay, slow. Careful. Keep going.
Hey, my back, my back. Hey. My back, get down. No, my back, hold on. No, it's good, but it's holding my back. I gotta do something. Yeah.
Come.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, go.
No, stay here so you guys can catch me if I fall. No, it's moving too much. Oh, hey. Okay. Go down. I don't know if I hit my head or my shoulder. Go down.
Can you explain to us that quote that you said on YouTube?
But I have to manage them. If I don't manage them, look, whenever you build a building, it's not the people who builds the building, the people who makes Craig how to build a building.
Thank you.
All the like each how to build a building. Yeah.
What is it doing?
Right head, calculation, everything. Correct?
Yep.
So just don't
Okay, fuck. What the what?
If you don't have a good manager, how are you gonna build it?
True.
Thank you.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. All right? So, see you on the next one. Haha.